What's up, homeowners? Today, we've got a heavy hitter battle in the world of ducted split air conditioners. We're putting the newcomer ACiQ up against the industry veteran American Standard to see which one truly deserves a spot outside your home. Let's start with the build. Now, look at the American Standard Silver, Gold, and Platinum series. They all come with a louvered coil. That means there's a solid metal cage protecting those sensitive aluminum fins. ACiQ, on the other hand, uses an open coil design across their lineup. Why does that matter? Well, if a hailstorm or a stray weed whacker hits an open coil, those fins flatten out instantly. Flattened fins restrict airflow, drive up your system's internal pressures, and absolutely murder your efficiency. If you live somewhere with high debris or stormy weather, that louvered protection on the American Standard is a massive durability advantage. Now, let's talk numbers. ACiQ's ultimate model, the HVA9, hits an 18.0 SEER rating and runs at a whisper quiet 56 decibels, but American Standard's Platinum 20 steps it up with 21.5 SEER and an even quieter 54 decibels. Remember, a 3 dB difference is clearly noticeable to the human ear, and a higher SEER means more money staying in your pocket every month when the utility bill arrives. Have you ever had to deal with hail damage or bent fins on your AC? Drop a comment below and let me know how you handled it. Alright, let's get into the warranty battle, because this is where the rubber meets the road. Both brands offer a solid 10-year general parts warranty. For the compressor, the heart of your machine, ACiQ gives you 10 years, while American Standard steps up to 12 years on their premium models. But here is the ultimate guarantee, the unit replacement guarantee. If your compressor fails within the coverage period, some brands will replace the entire outdoor unit, not just the broken part. ACiQ offers a massive 10-year, no-hassle replacement on their premium and ultimate models. American Standard, they offer 0 unit replacement coverage across their entire line. If the heart of that machine fails, you're only getting a new part, not a new unit. This is a tough one. If you want the absolute best exterior protection and highest efficiency, American Standard wins on build quality. But as a repair guy, I can't ignore that warranty. Even though the ACiQ has an open coil, that 10-year unit replacement guarantee provides a level of protection for your investment that American Standard just doesn't match. ACiQ takes the win today for having the homeowners back when things go wrong. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss any of our upcoming equipment battles. See you on the next one.